Alright, here we are, room 2227. Knock, knock. Hello.
Hello.
Cheers. Alright, we are at the Occidental at Xcaret. Just got here. There's the baño. Looks like it's kind of open. Oh, no. Yeah. Okay. Well, you can close the door. But then it's open. No rain shower. We've got shower, gel, and shampoo. All right. Got some closets. Some robes. You trying to come back in?
No. I'm staying on the camera.
Double closets. There's your safe. Looks like we have a adjoining room door, but we're not adjoining to anybody that we know of. Couple outlets on this side. Bed's pretty big. King size bed. Looks like you have some USB outlets on this side. Got a chair, a table, and of course the very first thing I did was take beers out of the fridge. So there were 2 Modelo's in here. Well, that's what else you get. Nice bucket and cups. There's a coffee maker, some coffee and water. This is the patio. Oh, there we go. A little bit small, but 2 of you can sit there and enjoy. That's a big ass step. Almost tripped. And we just got the basic garden view, like the cheapest ones. So that's what we're looking at, some garden view. Kind of private, I like it. There's a little bit of a walking path right there. Not too bad. Got a little thing for your clothes. Patio is definitely skinny. Skinny.
That's a big step.
That's just, I don't even know why. Like, why? All right. Well, I'll let you know how the bed is. Well, not a bad room. Got a ceiling fan. Bonus. All right, guys. We'll let you know. This is the Occidental at Xcaret.